It's yet another glorious early evening here at Petruscio Farms. Tonight, I'm going to take a look at how we can go ahead and install our drip irrigation system so that overhand watering is no longer necessary. Let's take a closer look. This particular garden has been watered by hand as long as I've been here, so I think that's going on 8 years. I think it's time to change that, and drip irrigation is the way I plan to go. So here's the existing hose situation. And as you can see, here is our plot. And so my intention is to add right here a timer, a pressure regulator, a backflow preventer, and then of course a 1/2 inch hose. And my expectation is my 1/2 inch will run right here and down the line. From there, I will be able to branch off to each individual pot, its own either bubbler or emitter. I'll do a few elbows so that I can take it down the center here, and I'll pull it all the way to the back. I'll pull it all the way over here and then down, so that just like the front side, I can add the 1/2 inch main hose, or tubing, I think it's probably called. I better work on the appropriate nomenclature. And then going to add the bubblers. So for tonight, I'm just going to do kind of a dry run. I'm going to put on the timer and the filter and all of those kind of things just to get a sense for how far out this is going to come, and then what kind of a protective cage or mechanism I can put around it to prevent it from, not dripping but running away. All right, so I've set up the first part of the drip system. So a new hose, of course, to go along with that. Although, of course, I thought it came with a nozzle head, but it didn't. Oh well, gonna reuse the last one. Reuse, repurpose, and recycle. Here are my components. So I have my Y splitter here. I've got my pressure regulator. I've got my filter. I've got my dual end timer down here, and you'll notice on the left I have just one nozzle at the moment. That will have fitted to it a 1/2 inch pipe, and that 1/2 inch will basically run where you see that green post right now. So here's just the first step. Wanted to do a dry fitting, see how that would work. My next phase before I do full installation is going to be to create a cage or some kind of, well, no, I think cage is the right word, around this to ensure that it does not, walk away. More to come. I will follow up as we continue, but coming from plot 1 here at Petruscio Farms. Good afternoon, everyone.